All right, guys, welcome to Bodyweight with Brian. Today is Monday, June 24th. Hey, hope everyone had an awesome weekend. I had a really good weekend, very productive weekend. Got a lot of stuff done around the house, a lot of projects. Got to go to a party on Saturday night with the family, and then church yesterday, and it was a great day. So very productive. Felt very good. Ready for a week, another week. So let's get to our workout. And with that, I got to tell you, I've been really trying to avoid repeating workouts. And it's kind of ironic because I do the same workout 5 or 6 days a week. So I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, but so every day I do 15 minutes of what is known as the Cindy workout, which is 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, and 15 air squats. So I do that for 15 minutes. I just keep going as many times as I can go. And then after that, I do 15 minutes of bicep curls, skull crushers or French press, and then lateral shoulder raise. I do a very, very light weight. The lateral shoulder raise, I actually don't use any weights at all for about 25 reps on each movement. So I only bring it up because I do that 6 days a week, and that's pretty much it. And I'm fine with that. I think it works. I don't think there's an issue with doing the same movement, especially when you're using minimal weight or your body weight, like push-ups or something like that, or pull-ups. So I don't know why I've been so adamantly opposed to not having the same workout during this video. So with that, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a workout that we did, I think it was about 2 months ago. I really enjoyed it. It's where we're going to do push-ups and shoulder push press, but we're going to ladder up by 2 each round. So the first round we're going to do 2 push-ups and 2 shoulder press, and then we're going to do 4 and 4, 6 and 6, 8 and 8, and then we're going to keep going and keep going. I think we almost got to like 18 or 20 in 10 minutes, but it was a really good workout. Felt really good, and I figured, like, why not? Let's do it. So let me get a quick drink of coffee. And then I'm going to go through I'll go through the movements real quick. So push-ups, as you know, we're about shoulder width apart. We're right here. Nice, straight, looking down, not looking up. Come down, and then come up. And oh my goodness, my body is feeling sore, so it's going to be a little bit. And then we're going to do push press right here. Here, up, down. And that's it. So we're going to do 2 push-ups, 2 push press, 4 push-ups, 4 push press, 6, 6, and on and on and on and on. So that's going to be it. I'll get everything ready here. Timer's ready to go. I'm going to do one last sip of coffee. Let's do this. Let's do this thing. Timer starting at about 5 seconds. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Oh, nice and easy. There's 2. So maybe you've noticed the background is changing a little bit. I got a crew in here doing some work on the house, drywalling the basement a little bit. I don't know if I mentioned, it looks like we're looking to move, leaving the 60048, thinking about heading to Nashville, Tennessee. So it's very exciting. There you go. It's exciting. It's definitely frustrating, though. Looking for a new job stinks. But, we got to do it. It's just been frustrating. It'll work out, though. It always does. Oh, great job. 6. Man, I feel like I'm a little slow this morning. A bit sore. But yeah, anyway, so looking for a job. Frustrating, but really exciting. The prospect of leaving Libertyville and going to Nashville. I grew up in Libertyville, so obviously that's a little sad. But you know what? There's other Libertyvilles out there, and you know the weather in Illinois sucks. The property taxes suck. Politics suck. So what's keeping me here? You know, the only thing keeping me here would be my brother and his family live here. That's it. So sorry, Jay, you're not enough to keep us here. I think we're in a round of 8 now. Good job. Uh, so yeah, we got that going on, which means we have to pack, and you know, I feel like I've been packing, but the wife is helping out as well. So it'll happen. All right, let's go. 10. Good job, man. I'm hurting today. Good. Good. Good job. I need a quick drink of coffee. Like I said, I'm feeling sore this morning. Oh, good coffee. So as a quick reminder, I'll sit down here. Yeah, about this. As a quick reminder, don't feel like you have to go through these sets unbroken. Keep in mind, you know, you can break it up. You can take a little break. You know, I think we're getting up to a set of 12 here. So if you can't do 12 push-ups in a row, that's not a problem. Do what you can do. I would advise on pushing your body as opposed to having a like predetermined um, number in mind. Like, oh, I'm going to do 4 sets of 3. Just go until you can't do anymore. Make your muscles grow, make them work, make them hurt, and then just go back and chip away at it and get it done. So that's just my advice. But you know, what do I know? Okay, 12. Let's do it. Oh, good job. Goodness gracious. I'll tell you what. It's from my workout yesterday. So I normally do. Oh, excuse me. I normally do a pretty lightweight body weight workouts, but yesterday I just kind of did an old school throwback where I did about 25 minutes of 135 bench press, and then I started with 30-pound dumbbells, but dropped to 25-pound dumbbells, alternating bicep curls, um, 10 bench press, 10 alternating bicep curls. I did it for like 25 minutes. About 25 minutes, and oh my gosh, my chest is just like, it's just tore up. I'm feeling it. And you know what? It was a good reminder for me, like, I'm fine doing body weight stuff. Really. You know, and there are times where my mind will kind of be like, no, do something else, do heavier weight, or do lighter rep, or do less reps, more weight, and it's like, yeah, I just have to keep myself in check and like really think about like, what am I doing this for? What am I trying to accomplish? And I'm just trying to have, some muscle, be fit, be thin, be toned, minimal amount of body fat. That's pretty much it. I mean, be presentable at the swimming pool or the beach. I mean, I don't want to be the dad bod guy or anything like that, which, whatever. Not judging, but it's like, come on, like, we're better than that. We don't have to be like, meh, you know, no one wants meh. So, and I see a lot of meh out there, or like man boobs or mitts, as I like to call them, man tits, mitts. Like, come on. Like, what does it take for that to happen to your body? Like, that takes some time. Like, that takes some time of neglecting your body. I think eating like shit, but more importantly, not being active. Like, shoot, do some push ups, man. Like, it does not take much. Do some push ups and drink water. Come on. Jeez. 14. Oh my goodness. I feel like dad bod today. I'll tell you what. But really, I mean, do it for our health. I mean, be a good example for your kids. You don't have to be crazy workout people, like totally into our bodies, but like have some self respect. Like, come on. There you go. Come on. About four more. As we go through it, the shoulders get a lot more sore. There we go. Good. Quick time check. So we got about a minute left. I know I did, last time we did a lot more. I think we got into the 20s, but I didn't yap as much. A lot of talking today, which it's okay. Just want you to know what's going on. The move, the packing, the job search. Oh my gosh. If you know anybody in Nashville that's looking for a sales rep, please let me know. Please. 16. Let's get it. Come on. Six more. One, two, three. Oh gosh. Ooh, that's it. Wow. That's a good workout. No reason we shouldn't repeat that workout. Like I said, I don't know why I stray away from that. Excuse me. Yeah, stray away from repeating workouts. Like this need to have a different workout every time, which would be tough because it's been to March, April, May, June. So yeah, so Saturday or so I guess Friday would have been 4 months that we've been doing body weight with Brian. So it's like, obviously, we're going to repeat the workout. So, whatever. Hope you enjoyed the workout. Hope you enjoyed hearing about the updates on the move, the job search, redoing the basement, all that good stuff. As always, drink your water. Don't eat breakfast, also known as intermittent fasting, and be positive. Be positive mentally, um, go out and be positive, do positive things. I read an awesome book about not about being positive, but The Power of Positive Attitude by Emmett Fox, called Sermon on the Mount. If you ever want to hit me up on Gmail, I'll send you my cliff notes that I took on the book. It's a phenomenal book, really good. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the workout. Happy Monday. Looks like it's going to be rainy here in Libertyville, so we'll probably just be inside packing the house, looking for a job, and we're working on a puzzle or something with the kids. But anyway, again, thank you. Have an awesome day. Be good. Be blessed. God willing.